Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating financial concept that can help you build wealth over time. It's called the 8-4-3 rule of compounding for riches. Sounds interesting, right? Stick around because we'll break it down into simple terms that anyone can understand. Let's get started. Understanding compounding. First things first, let's talk about compounding. Compounding is the process where your investment earns interest, and then you earn interest on the initial investment plus the interest you already gained. It's like a snowball effect. The more it rolls, the bigger it gets. To illustrate, imagine you invest $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 10%. After the first year, you'd have $1,100. In the second year, you don't just earn interest on the initial $1,000 but on the $1,100. So you end up with $1,210. This keeps growing year after year. Introducing the 8-4-3 rule. Now, let's introduce the 8-4-3 rule. It's a simple guideline to understand how your money can grow over time. Here's what it means. 8. If you invest for 8 years, your money will double. 4. If you invest for 4 years, your money will grow 50%. 3. If you invest for 3 years, your money will grow by 33%. Let's break it down with some examples. Example 1: the power of 8 years. Imagine you invest $10,000. According to the 8-4-3 rule, after 8 years, your investment will double. So, $10,000 becomes $20,000. How is this possible? It's due to the power of compounding. If we assume an annual return rate of about 9%, which is roughly the historical average return of the stock market, your money will indeed double in around 8 years. This is why it's crucial to start investing early. The more time your money has to grow, the more powerful the compounding effect becomes. Example 2: growing by 50% in 4 years. Next, let's look at the 4-year mark. If you invest $10,000 for 4 years, your money should grow by 50%. That means your $10,000 would become $15,000. Again, this assumes a similar annual return rate. This shorter time frame shows that even with just a few years, your money can see significant growth. Example 3: 33% growth in 3 years. Finally, let's consider the 3-year period. According to the 8-4-3 rule, your investment should grow by 33%. So, if you start with $10,000, after 3 years, you'd have about $13,300. Even in a relatively short period, compounding can give your savings a noticeable boost. Practical tips for compounding. Now that we understand the 8-4-3 rule, here are some practical tips to make the most of compounding. 1. Start early. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. 2. Be consistent. Regularly invest a portion of your income. 2. Even small amounts add up over time. 3. Reinvest earnings. Reinvest any dividends or interest you earn to maximize the compounding effect. 4. Stay patient. Compounding works best over long periods. 4. Resist the urge to withdraw your money too soon. Real-life application. Let's look at a real-life example. Meet Jane. Jane starts investing $200 a month at age 25 with an average annual return of 7%. By the time she's 65, she'll have over $500,000. That's the magic of compounding and the 8-4-3 rule in action. It's incredible how small, consistent investments can lead to substantial wealth over time. Thanks for watching. I hope the 8-4-3 rule of compounding for riches makes sense and inspires you to start investing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. And let us know in the comments how you plan to start your compounding journey. Until next time, keep investing and stay financially savvy.